Hello, today we will guide you through how to add tags to contacts in HubSpot. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the home page. This is the main starting point where you can access the different tools and records inside your account. If you are already signed in, you should see the main dashboard and the navigation menu along the left side of the screen. From there, move your mouse over the contact icon in the left navigation. Hovering here will reveal the contact-related options available to you. This is useful because HubSpot groups different record types in the side menu, and the hover action helps you quickly get to the section you need. Next, click on Contacts. This will take you to your contacts list where you can browse the people stored in your CRM. In this view, you'll typically see a table of contact records and can select the one you want to work with. Now click on a sample contact to open that contact's record. Once inside the record, you'll be able to access more detailed settings and properties for that individual contact. This is where you can review and manage the information associated with the contact. At the top left of the contact record, click on Actions. This menu contains additional options for working with the contact beyond the basic overview. It's a common place in HubSpot to find record-level tools and settings. From the Actions menu, click on View All Properties. This opens a more complete view of the fields connected to the contact record. Properties in HubSpot are the data fields that store information. So if you want to create something like a tag system, this is an important area to access. Once that page is open, click on Manage Properties. This will take you into the Property Settings area, where you can create and organize the fields used for contacts. If your goal is to add a tag-like field, this is the part of the process where that setup happens. Next, click on Create Property. This starts the creation of a new contact property that you can use for tagging or labeling contacts in a way that fits your workflow. Finally, enter a sample label and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the property setup. As you do this, pay close attention to the available field options so the property works the way you want for your contact organization. Once saved, you can begin using that property as part of your tagging process in HubSpot. That's it. You've now seen how to access contact properties and create a new property for tagging contacts in HubSpot.